Hello there. Welcome to this episode on Page Templates and Blueprints. Page templates and blueprints provide Confluence users with pre-formatted pages. They automate many common actions related to teamworking, workflow, and creative enterprises of all sorts. Page templates can be built by anyone. Templates allow users to begin a new page that is laid out in a standard format. You can create your own templates for things like work requests, holiday requests, or any type of form that you use. They include any of the standard macros available on the editor toolbar and are simple to create. Blueprints are for advanced users only. Custom-designed blueprints are powerful and tap into the Confluence database itself. An assortment of professionally designed templates and blueprints, some free and some paid for, are also available directly from the Atlassian marketplace. Let's jump in. Here, we are inside a typical space. Let's review the default page templates that are shipped with Confluence by clicking on the Create from Template button. The blank page template allows you to build virtually anything you need. It's a blank canvas to fill with your own content. The blog post template is used for communications, such as team news or project updates. Blog posts show up on the dashboard and remain attached to the space in their own blog section. Blogs often perform better than email for communicating news and also encourage team discussion through comments and likes. The Decisions template gives you a simple and logical structure to break down and explore the decision-making process and communicate decisions more clearly to your team. The File List template creates a central file list for uploading and organizing attachments. See our episode on working with files and attachments for more details. The Meeting Notes template will crowdsource your meeting agenda and create a set of real tasks. This saves time and makes your meetings more effective. See our episode on Easy Task Management and Meeting Notes for more information. The Share a Link template is a great way to start a conversation with your team, not only about content stored inside Confluence, but content from the web. The Ask a Question template is only available if you have the Questions for Confluence add-on installed. Questions are a great way to build a detailed knowledge base and find experts quickly. Questions taps into the collective knowledge of colleagues across your entire organization. The Calendar is also an optional add-on for Confluence, so you might or might not have this installed. The Calendar is a truly team-focused application designed to organize meetings and events for entire teams or projects. The How-To article template is one of the main components from the Documentation Space template. This allows you to build user guides and product or process instructions within your space. The Jira Report template integrates Confluence seamlessly with Jira, Atlassian's award-winning issue and project tracking software. The Product Requirements template breaks down large project requirements, whether intellectual, software-related, or physical product, into smaller and more manageable chunks. This makes large projects easier to understand, manage, and complete. The Retrospective is brilliant at looking back at work your team has completed and defining what went well and what could have gone better. Retrospectives are a great way to gain feedback from your whole team and form part of the continual improvement process. The Task Report template creates task reports for your team or your project. You can also insert the Task Report macro manually. See our episode on Easy Task Management and Meeting Notes for more information. Finally, we have the Troubleshooting article template. This organizes articles that solve common problems. If you create or open any knowledge-based spaces, you will notice that the main content is this same troubleshooting article. Next, let's see just how we can get our own custom page templates onto this list. To create a new page template for this space, click on the Space Tools button and select Content Tools. From here, simply click on the Create New Template button. For this example, I'm going to create a simple work request page. These work request pages will log all work requests that we receive from other departments. To do this, we simply lay out the page and add as many sections and pre-formatted content as required. We can also add macros from the toolbar if we need to. Once we have the page template completed, simply click the Save button. Back in Content Tools, click on the pencil icon next to the description and add a short description for this template. Then, click on the Save button. Next, I'll go back to the Space homepage and click on the Create by Template button. When we browse to the bottom of the page templates list, our new custom page template is available. Highlight this template as normal and click on Create. We now have a new page started that is set out exactly as we need. It's that easy. You can make custom page templates globally available to all Confluence users across all spaces. To do this, contact your own Confluence administrator who can place your custom templates on the global templates list for your Confluence site. Next, let's take a quick look at the Atlassian marketplace to see some of the other templates and blueprints available. Visit atlassian.marketplace.com or search the internet for Atlassian Marketplace, then navigate to the Confluence section. Search for the word template or blueprint to find what's available. And that's us. Until next time, enjoy and have fun.